It's a new 2019 GMC Terrain. This Terrain means more than just utility and capability. It's a strikingly designed crossover that bridges the gap between comfort and function. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, dual zone climate control, streaming audio, auto dimming rearview mirror, front heated bucket seats, power heated mirrors, external memory control, active grille shutters, doors and push button start proximity key, and automatic transmission. Edmunds.com reports a small crossover, the Terrain stands out thanks to its stylish cabin, versatile back seat, ample standard features, and sophisticated driving manners. Smart capabilities, strong performance, GMC. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.